What's going on, my friend? Garrett here, back again with another video. Now, in today's video, I'm going to break down how you can generate paid traffic incredibly easily to promote Clickbank products. Now, the amazing thing with this specific traffic method is that it doesn't have hardly any moving pieces, right? So if you've tried maybe Google ads, or you've gone out there and even tried like Bing ads or Facebook ads, a lot of it, you have to do a lot of split testing, a lot of different changing of images and videos, especially even YouTube ads. With this traffic, as you'll see in just a second, you don't need to do any of that. It's literally copy paste. It takes 2 minutes and you can start getting incredibly high quality traffic to whatever affiliate link you want. Now, for the sake of this video, I'll do Clickbank. So if you don't have a Clickbank account, all you have to do is go to clickbank.com, sign up here. It takes a few minutes. It's free to create an account. And then once you're in your back office, you want to actually go to your marketplace. Now, first off, I want to share with you some results. Okay, so I've been using this traffic with Clickbank just over the last few weeks. Okay, and you can see that I've been generating some pretty good results. Okay, now I've actually been promoting other affiliate programs outside of Clickbank with this traffic also, and I haven't really been focusing mainly on Clickbank. I've just done a little bit of testing, and you can see that it's already been working incredibly well. Okay, so how exactly do we do this? Well, again, the first step is to find a product. So you want to go to the marketplace, and again, you can do this with any affiliate program with this traffic in the make money online niche. Okay, so if you're promoting an opportunity, a program, and you make sure that it's in the make money online, the home business niche, then you can still use this traffic. But again, we're going to use Clickbank for this video. Go to e-business, e-marketing, and you want to sort results by gravity, okay? Because that's going to basically share with us this score. Now, the more gravity, okay, the higher gravity score, the more other people are actually making sales with this product. And if you promote a product that other people are making sales with, then chances are you're going to be able to make sales as well, okay? So we want to look at this. We also want to keep in mind the average dollar per conversion. So for example, this one right here, Click Wealth System. This has a gravity of 124. I like to look, for a product, anything above 30, okay, a gravity score above 30. So this qualifies for that. But then when you look at the average dollar per conversion, meaning how much money per sale with all the upsells and downsells are most people making, this is pretty low, okay? So if you're going to do paid traffic, you want to make sure that the average dollar per conversion is a little bit higher, because you want to invest money and always make more than you're spending, right? So let's look at this, for example, okay? So if I go down, so this one's really good, okay? And I've actually promoted this and made quite a bit of sales. It's called the Perpetual Income 365, okay? So it has a gravity score of 75. Meaning on average about 75 other affiliates within this last week have made a sale, which is incredible. It's above 30, which we said. And also the average dollar per conversion is 348, which is amazing. Meaning once you make one sale, typically through all the upsells and again the downsells, most people are going to spend on average $348. Okay, so that's what you're able to make per sale. So again, when you invest in this paid traffic, as you'll see, this is going to be able to, hopefully make you a lot more than you spend. So we just hit promote, okay? And if you want to add a tracking ID, I typically recommend that, especially if you're promoting this product in a lot of other places. For this traffic, we're going to do TA, okay? So you'll see what the paid traffic is in just a second. Now, there's different landing pages you can actually choose from. Typically, I just do the default, which is fine, and then generate hop links, okay? And now you can see that right there, okay, they have the TA, okay? If you can see that right there, that's going to track, okay? So we'll be able to go into our reporting and see when we make a sale, did it come from this traffic source or not, okay? So then we want to copy that link. Now, the traffic source that I recommend to do Clickbank paid traffic with in the Make Money Online niche is something called Traffic Authority. Now, I'm going to include a link directly below this video. If you haven't seen one of my videos where I talk about this traffic source is incredibly effective and it's very, very easy. All you have to do is go to the link below. You create a free account, okay, which just takes a few seconds. And then once you're in your back office, okay, you want to click the traffic store. And what you can literally do is purchase packages of traffic. okay, packages of clicks. Now you can see they have the basic package, which is $220. Okay, so for $220, you're getting 170 to 190 clicks, and the delivery time is 14 to 28 days. So it's a drip feed. That traffic will not, just instantly send. So you can make tweaks. You can also pause the traffic. So as you start getting delivered clicks, if you want to switch the product, or you realize maybe that capture page isn't working well, people aren't putting their email in as much, you can pause it, change the link at any time, and then restart it. So if I do a calculator, okay, let's say you get 180 clicks. Well, the price is 220, so 220 divided by 180. Okay, so that's on average $1.22 per click. Now you may think that's a little bit high compared to other things, right? But what you have to understand is these clicks are from real top tier people, meaning the people are real, they're active, and they're from top tier countries. United States, Canada, Australia. Whenever you go to do paid traffic online, you always want to make sure it's from top tier countries. The reason being is, it's nothing against people from third world countries, but if you're promoting a product, okay, you want to promote to people in countries that have money and can afford the product you're promoting. So you always want to make sure it's in top tier countries. Even if you do Bing, which I've taught on my channel, you want to choose the countries so that your ad only shows up in those top tier countries. Also, these people, okay, have shown a high interest in the past of being interested in making money online, starting a home business, things like that, okay? So this is the best traffic you can do, especially if you're brand new and you don't want to have to learn all these moving pieces, again, how to test images, how to record a video. All you have to do is choose a package. So let me go back to it, okay? So let's say you want to do the gold package. This is one of the most popular. It's $1,097, okay? So you would just select that package. You get 850 to 950 clicks. Often they'll even over deliver. It's going to take 2 to 4 weeks to completely finish that order. And then all you have to do is step 2. Always choose other website, okay? And then we just literally paste in our affiliate link. Okay, now it has the tracking code there. You attach a debit or credit card to this side right here. I've already done this because I've purchased traffic a lot from Traffic Authority. And then we put in our, the code on the back of the card, agree to the terms, and then place order. And then within about 24 hours or less, your order will appear in the active orders tab. And you can literally see it in real time, how many clicks you're getting. You can check, go back to Clickbank and see, under the reporting, how many people are actually seeing, you can go right here, like how many order form impressions, right? How many sale conversion, like what percent of people that hit the order form convert into a sale, okay? So you can literally see this in real time. And again, for whatever reason, okay, let's say you're doing it, you're running it, and it's been about a week, and you realize, hey, I'm not making any sales. Well, all you have to do is go back here, active orders, you would pause it, okay? You just go back to Clickbank, go back to the marketplace, and you can literally just choose another product, right? Do gravity, always sort by results by gravity, and then just go down and go, okay, this one's 85. Okay, let me try this one. And then just switch it out, right? You don't have to worry about writing an email. You don't have to worry about anything. You just put that link in there, and then you just place the order. So again, I'm going to include the link directly below to Traffic Authority below this video. Go down, try it out. I'm telling you, this traffic works incredibly well. It's a drip feed, okay? So if you want to also be doing some free traffic while this paid traffic's coming in over time, be sure to check out my channel. I have a lot of training on free traffic, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Okay, so you want to check that out. Be sure to subscribe with the bell icon. I'm going to be posting weekly videos, so you don't want to miss out on that. And until next time, my friend, I hope you got value. Comment below if this helped you. I'd love to read your comments. And until my next video, I will see you very soon.